Welcome to the AI Briefing. I'm your AI host, Mick, and this is your AI news for Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. In recent news, a new AI robotics billionaire, Brett Adcock, is making waves with his startup Figure AI. With over $750 million in funding, the company is gearing up to revolutionize the AI and robotics industry. Prominent investors like Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, and Microsoft are on board, valuing Figure AI at $2 billion. Their focus on developing human-like robots for dangerous tasks could address labor shortages. Figure AI's flagship robot, Figure 01, is anticipated to redefine work processes across various sectors. Brett Adcock's vision and substantial financial backing hint at Figure AI's potential to lead the way in AI and robotics advancements. In other news, Adobe is set to introduce generative AI-powered tools into Premiere Pro for quick object removal in video clips. These tools, part of the Firefly family, will offer features allowing users to generate video content and add or remove objects through text prompts. Moreover, Adobe plans to integrate Premiere Pro with AI models from third-party providers like Runway, Pika Labs, and OpenAI's Sora models to expand creative options. While a specific release date is pending, Adobe aims to enhance user flexibility by integrating various AI models for video editing in the near future. This move signifies Adobe's commitment to offering advanced AI capabilities within its popular editing software for creative professionals. And lastly, the Limitless Pendant. It's a wearable gadget meant to record everything you hear and process it using AI technology. The company behind it, headed by CEO Dan Siraker, aims to revolutionize how we remember and understand information. Initially tailored for meeting needs, the pendant captures audio while offering real-time notes and summaries. At $20 a month, it integrates with your computer, email, and calendar to enhance productivity. Looking beyond meetings, Siraker envisions Limitless evolving into a proactive AI assistant capable of anticipating your needs based on past contexts. While the device itself seems conventional, its beamforming tech ensures clear voice recording and features a unique consent mode for privacy. With a focus on practical problem-solving rather than flashy hardware, Limitless Pendant sets out to streamline everyday tasks with the power of AI. That's your AI briefing for today. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us wherever you listen to podcasts, and join me again tomorrow for more AI news.